Welcome to the Fine Homebuilding house, where the project is transforming an old house into an ultra energy efficient family home. Today, we're going to take a look at Eldorado Stone, an architectural stone veneer product that we're using as a focal point on the exterior of this project. Let's take a closer look. What we're looking at here is the Grand Banks limestone, and you can see it's got some great soft neutral tones that really work with this house. But you can get Eldorado Stone in dozens of different styles, and they all share one thing in common. They're all engineered so that they fit together really nicely on site with a minimal amount of cutting and fitting. Of course, when you do need to do some cutting and fitting, it's really easy with an angle grinder, and you back butter each piece for installation, stick it to the wall. You can either leave it as a dry stacked look or do what we did here and come back and fill in the joints with mortar. The pieces are sold in two ways. You have field pieces and you also have corner pieces, which are something like this, which really give you a nice authentic look around outside corners and around the windows. What's cool about this is that it's got a really textured back on it. So when you put the mortar on and attach it to the wall, it's got a lot of grab. Of course, the show side also has a lot of texture and color to it, and the pieces are a variety of thicknesses, so it really gives you this natural stone look once everything's up on the wall. Our goal in using Eldorado Stone for the exterior of the Fine Homebuilding house was to create a focal point and really make a statement, and I think we nailed it. To learn more about the product and to see the variety of styles available, visit eldoradostone.com.